In this video, I'll show you how to split and trim videos on CapCut PC quickly and easily, even if you're brand new to the editor. If you want to clean up mistakes, remove dead space, shorten clips, or cut one video into smaller parts, this tutorial will help you do it the right way. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about trimming a video. Trimming is one of the easiest ways to shorten a clip because it lets you adjust the start or the end without cutting the video into separate pieces. To do this, start by selecting the clip on your timeline so it becomes highlighted. Once the clip is selected, move your mouse over the left edge if you want to trim the beginning or over the right edge if you want to trim the ending. When your cursor changes into a double-sided arrow, that means you're ready to trim. Click and drag the edge inward to remove the part you don't want. This is perfect for cutting out extra seconds at the start, removing pauses at the end, or tightening up your footage so it feels more polished. Now let's move on to splitting a video. Splitting is different from trimming because it cuts your clip at a specific frame and turns it into separate sections. This is really useful when you want to delete a middle portion, remove a mistake, or place a transition between two parts of the video. To split your clip, first click on the timeline and drag the playhead, which is the vertical line marker, to the exact frame where you want the cut to happen. Accuracy matters here, so take a moment to line it up properly. Once the playhead is in the right place, click the split icon above the timeline. It usually looks like two opposing brackets divided by a line. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also press Ctrl+B on Windows or Command+B on Mac to split instantly. After splitting, your video will now be separated into parts, which gives you much more control over the edit. You can click on any unwanted section and delete it, or you can rearrange segments if needed. This is especially helpful when editing talking head videos, tutorials, gaming clips, or any content where you need to remove mistakes without affecting the rest of the footage. If you're trying to clean up long recordings, splitting is one of the fastest ways to make your timeline look professional. Now here's one of the best speed editing tricks in CapCut PC. The latest desktop version includes hotkeys that can save a lot of time once you get used to them. For example, pressing Q will delete everything to the left of your playhead after splitting at that point. This is great when you want to keep only the important section that comes after a certain moment. Pressing W does the opposite. It deletes everything to the right of your playhead. That's useful when you only want to keep the beginning of a clip and remove everything after a certain point. These shortcuts are incredibly helpful when you're editing quickly and want to move through your footage more efficiently. If you want to remove a mistake from the middle of a clip, the process is simple. First, place the playhead at the start of the mistake and press Ctrl+B. Then move the playhead to the end of the mistake and press Ctrl+B again. Now the mistake is isolated as its own segment. Click that middle piece and press Delete or Backspace. This method is ideal for cutting out pauses, unwanted words, camera bumps, awkward silences, or anything else you want to remove without disturbing the rest of the timeline. The best way to remember it is this. Trimming adjusts the edge of a clip, while splitting cuts the clip into parts. Once you understand the difference, editing on CapCut PC becomes much easier and much faster. Trimming is great for quick cleanup, and splitting is perfect for precise cuts and detailed editing. Together, they give you full control over your video, so now you know exactly how to split and trim videos on CapCut PC using both the mouse and the keyboard shortcuts. Once you practice these steps a few times, they'll become second nature, and you'll be able to edit faster and with more confidence. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple editing guides, CapCut tutorials, and beginner-friendly video tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.